Give Where You Live is a system that everybody can help each other. If anybody needs any shopping, ironing or the house cleaning, everybody can help.
The pilot of Give Where You Live Rural has now been running for 10 months and has been a huge success amongst our older, rural, more isolated tenants.
Give Where You Live started about a year ago, and it's all to do with helping the community. Right, if you can't do something, I'll do it for you, and if I can't do something, you'll do it for me.
To date, we have the tenants and the friends have accumulated over 800 hours in helping each other, and out of this have made a lot of friends. They help each other.
It's helped me quite a bit with the way I am at the moment, and it brings me out the house and I meet quite a lot of new people.
They share all sorts of skills, from watch mending to computer classes, to fixing clothes. We even have a lady who actually puts on dinner parties to earn her time credits.
Dwi'n helpu bobl yn Tan y Graig. Dwi'n mynd I siop iddyn nhw a beth bynnag maen nhw eisiau fi wneud. Ges I drawiad ar y galon yn November ac mae pethau wedi newid achos maen nhw wan, y bobl dwi wedi bod yn helpu, maen nhw yn helpu I wan.
I hope Give Where You Live continues in the rural area of Llanrwst and Cerrig-y-Drudion, because so many have made new friends.
It's been a great way to get isolated people out of their homes, into the community, feeling valued and actually making new friendships.